So sometimes in birding, I get the question of why I'm laying down on the grass, or why am I laying down on the beach, and I'm gonna show you guys. Are you kidding me? What in the world? Oh! Bobwhite just jumped. Oh my gosh. Where'd he go? It really is right next to me. I mean, he's maybe 6 feet away. This is insane. You cannot be anything like this. Are you serious? What in the world is happening right now? This bird is a pretty widespread kind of partridge. They basically live all along the East Coast up north, and like I said, they're relatively pretty secret in their lives. So the fact that this one is just sitting right here in front of me, it's basically been doing circles for the past 20 minutes, looking around for food, and what I'm assuming his call is looking for a lady.